What's up, dudes and ladies? I figured I'd go ahead and show you this modern LG window air conditioner that I just recently bought. Well, actually not recently, it was like months ago, but it's been a very good unit considering how it's modern, and usually things are not built to last, and they're loud and obnoxious and they don't last. Well, I've had zero problems with it. I'm going to show you how it sounds when it starts up. Yeah, you see it runs really smooth, actually. Alright, we'll turn the speed down. Not loud at all, actually, and it blows super cold air because the compressor stays running. I mean, on the other one, it just keeps kicking off and kicking back on and kicking off and kicking back on. This one just stays running. I'm very impressed. Like, even on low, it stays running. I think it's actually got a really nice sounding fan on it. I'm pleased. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, hit a thumbs up. If you did enjoy this video, hit a thumbs down and comment if you want to. Thank you. Have a good day.